Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. Besides the storage basket, we also have the laundry hamper. This one is the round laundry hamper. Let's check the detail. The handle is fabric handle with EVA inside. The basket, there's a metal frame on the top of the laundry hamper, and the bottom inside there's big space inside. You can put dirty clothes and the kids' toys, anything inside. Because it's EVA inside, so the basket can foldable like this. And for the packaging, you also can use a color band or the color label to pack this basket. It can load about 5,000 pieces in 40 container. This basket, this laundry hamper, we export to European countries and US. We sell very well because it can foldable and can save the space during transportation, so the price is very cheap.